LAUSD is getting ready to reopen schools on April 12th. Welcome news for many parents, but what if you're nervous about sending your kids back out in the public?
Chelsea Edwards live in downtown LA for us. Chelsea.
Alex, you know, these numbers pretty staggering. The data shows that less than a third of LAUSD students are planning to return to campus in person when instruction returns in person starting early next month or mid next month on April 12th. Now, from a medical perspective, doctors that we've spoken to say the precautions that are already in place, they are really effective in stopping the spread of COVID-19. But at the end of the day, it's really going to be a matter of personal choice.
It comes down to really your own comfort. If you're since there's different models of learning that will be going on even as children return back to school, I think ultimately you as a parent have to be comfortable sending your child to school. I think with these protocols, with the mask, good hand hygiene, I think that really minimizes the potential of any child contracting the virus.
That's Pediatric ICU Medical Director Dr. Richard Kang. He believes the steps that LAUSD officials have taken are efficient, with one of the most important aspects being teachers getting vaccinated. But he acknowledges that there are some unique challenges facing some LAUSD families that may make it feel like it's too soon for them. For instance, those living in multi-generational households where other people are at higher risk of suffering complications from COVID-19. 62% of LAUSD parents responded to a recent survey about their preferences for returning to the classroom next month. The data shows that if the families who didn't respond keep their kids online, only 33% of elementary school students are going to go back to class. That number drops to just 21% for middle schoolers and 14% for high schoolers. One reason for those low numbers for older kids could be that the structure is going to be different for them. Middle and high school students are still going to have to do all their courses on Zoom, but they'll be in a classroom while wearing headphones with a teacher in front who is instructing on Zoom. We asked one hesitant parent if there was anything that LAUSD could do to convince her to send her son back next month. Listen here.
Short of just waving a magic wand and erasing COVID completely, no, there's really not much they can do. I mean, we can throw so much money at it, we can take so many precautions, but at the end of the day, we're human and we're going to make human errors. And that's where it becomes dangerous.
That was Alicia Baltazar. She's an immunocompromised single mother who says she's terrified to send her 11-year-old son back into the classroom, even with all the safety precautions that LAUSD is taking at its 1,400 plus campuses. Now, if parents don't respond to that LAUSD survey, they are going to continue with online learning. Now, to ease some fears, LAUSD has announced that they are going to offer a program to vaccinate family members of students who are maybe hesitant to go back into the classroom because of safety fears. Those shots are going to be available to people at Lincoln High School and Washington Preparatory High School starting on April 5th. In-person instruction is set to resume on April 12th. Reporting live in downtown LA, Chelsea Edwards, Fox 11 News. Christine?
Yeah, more and more vaccines coming our way, Chelsea. Thank you.